a super quick, what, 20 minutes?
25 minutes.
Traffic was awesome today, so we had a really awesome Uber driver, or Lyft driver, I should say. It was a Lyft, not an Uber. But we're at the Howard Johnson. Bob's inside checking in. I don't know if our room's gonna be ready or not, but I like it here so far.
Yep, it's nice.
What do you think? This is where registration is. This, I don't know what street this is right here. That's the courtyard. Across, that's the Holiday Inn Express right there. The only weird thing is we couldn't like pull in on our Lyft driver, so we had to just like drop us off on the little Kirby thing. We walked. But registration is right here. And then it looks like there's a little gift shop over there. And that's building 1. So I don't know what building we're gonna be in, but hopefully we'll find out. Okay, we had just a slight room snafu. We're in our room. We'll explain that to you later, but it's all good. We're in our room. It's actually really nice. So we got a nice like little upgrade, I guess, from what we booked. So this is what our room looks like. It's very spacious, don't you think?
I think it's great.
Yeah. There's a balcony. I'll show you that in a minute. There's a full-length mirror. La-la. This is the bathroom. Oh, the light comes on when you come in. Nice amount of counter space. Some ducks. Big mirror. This is the toilet and the tub shower. That's a little small, but that's okay. No big deal. Plenty of floor space here. Lots of counter space and some drawers. And then we've got 2 queen beds. Tables on both sides, which is awesome. There's one over here too.
With plugs.
Yeah, and plugs.
Got a plug.
That's awesome. And a little table. Little seats there if you want to eat. Big TV, some cool mirrors, and another desk. And there's a fridge. And a microwave and a Keurig. And some cool little Disney artwork. Let's see what the balcony looks like. There's no chairs out here, but it's pretty big.
You can take those chairs.
Yeah, you can. You can take those chairs out. So this is the pool. But look, you can see Mission Breakout right there.
It's gonna be
awesome.
cool at night. You'll see all the colors.
Yeah, that's gonna be really cool at night.
I'm quite impressed.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Very nice. Oh, and here's the closet. It's got plenty of room. You can put your luggage in there. There's an ironing board and a safe and a shelf and another shelf up there and some hangers. So it's nicely tucked away behind these 2 doors.
Do you remember what he was saying?
This is considered a deluxe room?
Yeah.
Okay, in building 2.
Yeah.
All right, that was the upgrade. We're in room 2316.